Hi, it's Kai. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have been putting off this video for a little bit because I just cannot. Every time I think of it, I'm just like, that is gonna take so long. Let me just do it right now because my family is out jogging or something and I don't know how long they're gonna be out, but they are supposed to be getting food, and if they get food, that will take even longer. So I'm gonna try as fast as possible to make this video. In this bag, I have a wig that I ordered off AliExpress. I posted with it on Instagram like a week ago. It originally was, I think, 16 or 18 inches. So that was like really long for me. And I want to cut it so that it's a little bit longer than this length, but more of like a wolf cut. It's straight and it's platinum blonde. I already cut some of it, but I didn't cut the shape I wanted. I'm gonna be using scissors and an eyebrow razor. And I was just looking at like pictures on Pinterest as reference, but the wig looks like this right now. It is synthetic. I ended up spending $34 on it, but the wig itself is like $16. I just paid for like the faster shipping because I did buy it on AliExpress and I didn't know how long I was gonna be in Florida. I got the one that was like 1 week shipping, so I had to pay like $17 for it to come fast. It came in like 4 days, I think. I guess the shipping was kind of worth it. You know, it's here. Okay, it's low-key uneven right now. You can see all this, like, I gotta cut it some. It came with 2 wig caps and it's not a lace front, it's a full cap, so the hairline does not look natural on the sides. It's like this. If I wanted to do like a ponytail or something, like you could clearly see the... I just did not want to spend that much money on a lace front, so I spent like $34 and I got this. I'm gonna cut it while it's like on me so that I can see how it really looks. If my family walks in on this, I'm pretty sure they won't. A lot of wigs have like combs on the side. It doesn't have that. If I'm not looking at the camera, it's because I'm looking at my phone to see. I don't have like a mirror or anything. This is what the wig looks like right now. I really cannot fix, but I don't care. Like, I'll wear hats with it. But I wanted the shape to be more like that. I'm gonna start off cutting the front like that. Let me do them together. I'm just gonna cut it like diagonally. Okay, that's not that bad. You see what I mean? Like that. If my family walks in. Wait, because that's kind of good. Oh my, never mind. I honestly should have watched the tutorial. Wait. That's kind of right. Okay, this one is obviously shorter. I really don't know how to do this. I think I should cut like all of it like around and then... Bro, I don't know how to do this. I should like section it so that it's not like the whole... Yeah, I really don't know how to do this. Oh my... Okay, but I think it already looks better though. What if I just cut the bottom? I'm gonna cut this front part even shorter, I think. Okay. Oh, that was too short. Stop. Why I did it like that? Oh my... It's so bad. I think the fact that I've never cut my hair before and I've never dealt with straight hair ever is just like adding up right now. Last time I straightened my hair, I was like 10, and I think it's really showing right now. Let me get this. I feel like that looks better. I think that's better. Oh, I fixed it. Okay. I think I fixed it. Okay, wait, this is way better because this is just literally like thinning it, and that's exactly what I wanted to do. Leah just told me that it's hard to cut synthetic wigs with the eyebrow razor, but honestly, this is really working. This, I definitely cut too short. I don't know what to do with that. And I'm completely going off of my phone camera. Like, this is literally looking at my phone screen, no mirror. It looks good to me from far away looking at my little tiny phone. If it looks bad when I rewatch this, I'm gonna be so tight. Wow, there's a lot of hair on the carpet right now. I don't know what to do with the back. Look at the way it just... Oh my... That is still too long. I'm gonna just keep using the razor though. I'm scared to touch those scissors again after that. I've been filming for 15 minutes. No, I haven't. This side definitely is fire. I really don't like the hairline. Now that I keep looking at it, like, I definitely am gonna wear a hat if I ever go out with this. Like, that hairline is not it, bro. I'm trying to do this so fast because they really need to not bust in that door. Like, I hope they really taking that long walk. You see how I'm rushing? When I take Instagram pictures in this, right? I just don't. show this side. Like, what if I just like put like, you know, what if I just pull These sides look completely different. I'm so happy this is not my real hair because I know it would have been hurting so bad. I used to hate when I would be at the hair salon and they would be cutting my hair with this. When they would use like a regular blade and just go like that, like I would pull so hard. I better not get no call from my mother talking about we on the way. It's been 20 minutes. Oh my gosh. Should I move to the bathroom? Should I move to the bathroom so that should I move to, oh, it's so uneven. Is it though? This is all the hair that has been coming off this whole time, by the way. Just in case. Okay, it's better here because I have like a mirror and stuff too. That looks so bad. I go like this. Oh. Do you see what having nosy family does to you? Like every little sound I hear, I literally stop everything. By the way, y'all already saw my video talking about I came to Florida by myself to get away from my family. My mom and my brother just came down yesterday. I no longer had that freedom. In my last video, I wasn't as scared and I knew nobody was gonna bust in the door. I don't have that privilege anymore. Get back to this. I literally did not watch any type of tutorials on how to do this. I literally just got the razor and started filming. I could say I'm a self-taught hairstylist. Brad Mundo could come for me if he wants to. I was meaning to watch a tutorial on how to do this actually, but like I didn't get to. First of all, I don't know what to do with this hairline because where's my hairline at? Like back there? Not the emails. I feel like if I put a hat on like this is enough. This side came out really good. Why I was trying to take you, the way I just grabbed it to take off the cap, like I ever put a cap on it. I really like this side. You are literally about to see me taking pictures on some. Cause y'all don't, nobody needs to see this. You know? This side is so bad. If I go on Facetune and I blur right here, you think it'll... I'm gonna have to watch a video. Facetune your wig to look natural. I think that's enough. Get the brush. What does that look like? Like I can't see it. Is that like really uneven? Because it feels like it's really uneven. I don't know what that looks like. It doesn't matter. Ain't nobody looking at the back of my head. When I post on Instagram, y'all are not gonna see the back. Y'all will never see the back except for that one time. I know my lash is falling off. Listen, it's been a long day. I gotta edit a video in a day to upload tomorrow, so I'm gonna go get on that right now, to be honest. You know, I'm gonna have a little post on Instagram talking about... Right? Exactly. Thank you so much for watching me cut this AliExpress wig. I don't know, if you stay to the end, please subscribe, first of all. But if you stayed to the end and you thought it was entertaining, thank you so much. If you wanna follow this as a tutorial and show me you cutting your wig like this, feel free to send me it on Instagram. My Instagram is at lilnorma4. It's the same exact username as here. Please leave a like, please, I really went through this. You know how scared I am that my mother is about to walk in and ask me what money I spent on this wig. I'm not, I really am risking a lot right now, and y'all should definitely like the video and share it with your friends, please, so that somebody sees me do this and somebody tells me what to do right next time in case I want to buy another one and do it right. So I will see you on Monday.